video right now because they make it look so pretty, even in the sky tonight. Look at that as they break down and make it look absolutely beautiful. And what a job they do. The lighting on these airplanes, superb, either looking back into the smoke and looks like they've got flames coming out the back. Just beautiful.
The sponsors of Titan Aviation, starting with Titan Aviation Fuel, Aero LEDs, ACF 50, AC, Air Technology, Aerospace Cardiology, Artcraft's Bruce and Specialty, Al's Aerial Springs, Relaydyne Aviation Lubricants, Aspen Avionics, Auric Avionics and Instruments, Bose, Concord, Champion Aerospace, CJ Aviation, Flitton Body Shop, Jesser Tire and Rubber Company, Lighthelmet.com, Genesys Aerosystem, Goodyear, Hartzell Aviation, and more. Coming in from the left, your Titan Aerobatic team.
Leading the way, Brian Regan, Steve Gustafson, and Jimmy Porter. License instrument rating at 7,500 hours. He fit the bill and part of the team. The roar of those big engines. This is a heavy airplane to throw around in the sky too, and yet they get in there nice and tight and make it look so beautiful.
4 decades of thrilling the audiences from day into night as they wing over right now and come back to give us more of a show.
Special flying at this time of night, again with that sun set now. I know Ariel and Lou and Marco, they get up high on the top of those loops. They sky to the left. Titan Aerobatic team. Nicknamed the pilot maker, the North American AT-6 Texan, advanced trainer for those who went on to fighters in the Second World War and served beyond that, well beyond that in some countries. And just a great airplane. And one that they have flown for years now as they get together, and now as the Titan Aerobatic team.